When you finish applying your lotion, you can rush and apply your lotion. But when you get to your knee and your knuckle area, take your time. Take your time. This is how I do it. I put a lotion dot by dot on each of my knuckles. I do not apply lotions on this place. Hey, what up? What is good? How are you guys doing? It is your girl, and I am back with another video. So if you're new, hi, this is Blue. If you're old, hey, thanks for stopping by for yet another video. As you guys can already tell by the title of this video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how you can avoid having dark knuckles, how to avoid your dark knuckles that you're battling with. And that's why I'm doing this video for you guys. You know, I love you. I got you. But before we dive right into this video, if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, I'm pretty today, so just subscribe because of that. Don't forget to turn on my post notification bell button, which is that bell thing that is beside the subscribe button, to be notified when I upload a new video. And with that said, let's dive right into the video. I'm gonna try as much as possible not to make this video too long, but then I'm just gonna share with you guys my experience and how I was getting dark knuckles, and also how I started to avoid the dark knuckles and avoid them completely, because now my fingers is in your face right now. I'm not trying to hide it. I'm not trying to put it in my clothes or into my pocket. Sis, no need for having your hands in the pocket. Just do the right thing, period. Number one thing you have to do that will always help in avoiding dark knuckles is exfoliation. Try to exfoliate. Now, a lot of people go into the bathroom and pick up their scrub and scrub like this, scrub like this, scrub, and forget this place. What is this place? Is this your twin sister's hand? It is yours. So it means that, logically, it means that you should scrub that part of your body. You have to put exfoliation as part of your skin routines. If you're going to avoid dark knuckles completely, you need to start exfoliating your knuckle area. You have to do is avoid using too much hot water. Hot water also darkens your knuckles as well, especially those of y'all that are bleaching your skin and are using brightening lotions or whitening lotions. So you are supposed to stop using too much hot water, dipping your hands in too much hot water to shower or to cook or whatsoever. You did what I'm saying. Anyway, you have to avoid all that. Now, number 3 thing that you have to put in your skincare routine is moisturization. You have to make sure that you moisturize your knuckles, your elbows, your knees, and your feet. Moisturize these places because they are the parts that has the toughest skin, and they need a lot of love, much more than your whole body. These tough areas need a whole lot of love to be distributed to them. So you have to give them that love and that attention that they really deserve. You just don't carry lotion and rub on your body and just go out. You have to put it at the back of your mind that you have tough areas. This place is very tough, very, very tough. This place is tough skin, knee, feet, tough skin. So they need you to be moisturizing them 24/7, at least twice a day. Get yourself a hand cream or a hand and feet cream, or you can just get yourself a very good moisturizing lotion. A very good moisturizing lotion is Nivea body moisturizing lotion, Vaseline cocoa butter moisturizing lotion, Palmer's, my favorite, cocoa butter moisturizing lotion. These lotions are very good for moisturizing your elbows, your feet, your knuckle areas, and your knees. This lotion is very, very good for moisturizing your knuckles. Another thing is, how do you apply your whitening and brightening and lightening lotion? Do you just do it like this? Do you just do like this and go out? Well, that is actually very wrong, and that might even be the reason why you are suffering from dark knuckles and dark feet and dark elbows. This is what actually helped me a lot. If you're that dark skin or you're caramel and you want to lighten your skin, I recommend that you start off by applying this lotion on the toughest skin area, on your feet, your knuckles, your elbows. First, start applying the lotion here first of all. For the first 2 weeks that you've purchased those lotions, start applying the lotion first stuff on your elbows, your knees, and your feet. Start by applying this lotion on these areas the first 2 weeks that you get it. And then when you start to see a little bit of results, like a little bit of brightening effects going on these areas, then you can now start introducing this lotion on your body. This actually is also very, very applicable to people that actually go purchase lotions that are very strong, like the lotion that I talked about, all this Caro Whites, Caro Tone, and the rest of them all. When you get all these lotions are very, 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 very strong, and they don't whiten your skin uniformly. So that is the reason why when you use this lotion, it first of all attacks the lighter skin, the softer skin, the thinner skin. This is where this lotion goes to attack, and that's why you see your skin getting more whiter than your knuckles and your feet and your knees and your elbows. That is the reason why. Those lotions are very strong, and they don't have that effect of unifying your complexion. They whitening only the places that the lotion can actually penetrate into. That is where this lotion attacks. It doesn't attack the tough skin. And even if you're going to use this strong whitening lotion or lightening lotion, you have to make a fist when you want to apply your lotion. When you finish applying your lotion, you can rush and apply your lotion. But when you get to your knee and your knuckle area, take your time and focus on this area. Give these areas a lot of attention. Take your time. Take the lotion. This is how I do it. I put a lotion dot by dot on each of my knuckles. I do not apply lotions on this place because this place also gets whiter very, very fast. So you want to make sure that you apply the lotion only on the knuckles, dot by dots, all these places. Do not apply like this and then go out. No, apply it and then massage all that lotion step by step, little by little, into these areas that I've just pointed out. And also it's applicable to your elbows. Apply the lotion on your elbows, massage, take your time so the lotion is fully absorbed into your elbows. Then you can proceed to the next agenda of your day. And then that same thing applies to your knees and your feet as well. Take your time, and apply your lotion. Stop rushing. You that bought the lotion, you don't know that the lotion needs your attention. It needs a whole lot of loving and stuff like that. That is how to actually avoid knuckles from appearing whatsoever. You could be using a very strong lotion, and this lotion could actually still unify your skin if you follow this step. Number 1, do not forget exfoliation. 2, don't forget to moisturize your skin. 3, avoid the usage of too much hot water. And 4, always make a fist and apply this lotion to these tough skin areas. Please, these tough skin areas deserve so much attention and so much love, especially for those of you that are always you're always running, I'm always pushing you to go and brighten your skin. But then if you're going to brighten your skin, you have to follow these steps. Do it the right way. Do it the safer way. That is how you should be able to achieve these things that I've just talked about. Anyway, another thing that I didn't add, I'm going to add this just as a bonus. It is stop using Pimento or peeling oils to peel your knuckle, because it will peel those knuckles. But at the end of the day, when it wants to get dark, when you don't put that attention anymore, when you don't do this, when you don't follow up with this treatment, it will get darker than it was before you applied this pimento serum and whatsoever peeling oils. Stop applying it on your knuckles, because once you stop the usage of these things, it gets even darker than it was before. I'm gonna give you another extra bonus on what you can actually do to clearing your dark knuckles. You can use the Koji Clear Lightning Tube. This is also a clobetasol propionate content cream. It's a clobetasol propionate steroid cream. Now, you know what I told you on the clobetasol propionate. If you have not seen the video, please go and see that video. I did a video fully dedicated to clobetasol propionate. These things are meant to be used short term. So now that I'm prescribing it to you, I did not say you should be using it every day and turn it to your daily activities or stuff like that. It's not what I say, or turn it to your daily skincare routine. No, once you are finished achieving your results, stop the usage of the Koji Clear tube cream. Don't use it for too long. Just use it to clear that knuckles that you're worried about, and then start implementing this moisturizing and stop the usage of hot waters and all that, and it would improve with time. Or you can use the natural remedies that you can prepare at home, which is the lime and lemon scrub. Lime and lemon with sugar and honey scrub. You can use this and scrub these areas and it would brighten with time. But you have to be consistent to see any visible results. Anyway, if you're watching the end of this video and you're not yet subscribed to my channel, sis, what is good? Go hit the subscribe button and join this baby girl. And I'll see you guys in another awesome upload. Bye guys.